Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your go-to channel for no-nonsense product comparisons. Today, we've got a battle of the bots. In the left corner, we have the HONITURE G20, the robot vacuum that promises to be your new best friend. And in the right corner, we have the ROPVACNIC S1, the vacuum that claims to clean up your life. Literally. Who will suck the least? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the most important question. How much of your hard-earned money are you going to throw at these suckers? The HONITURE G20 comes in at a very friendly $199. At that price, it might just be cheaper than your last Uber ride home after a night out. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 will set you back a cool $299. That's right, folks, for an extra $100, you could have bought yourself a small island. Okay, maybe just a really nice dinner. Now, let's talk about what these bots can actually do. Because let's face it, if they can't clean, they're just overpriced hockey pucks. The HONITURE G20 is a triple threat: vacuum, mop, and sweep. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. Plus, it boasts a 450 milliliters dust box and a 250 milliliters water tank. It's basically the Bear Grylls of cleaning. Meanwhile, the ROPVACNIC S1 offers a 2-in-1 mopping and vacuuming system with a 4-stage water adjustment. It's like having a personal butler who takes your hydration needs seriously. But come on, ROPVACNIC, only 2 functions? That's like serving a burger without fries. Alright, let's talk suction power, because at the end of the day, it's all about how much dirt these bad boys can suck up. The HONITURE G20 comes equipped with a Japanese NIDEC motor that can reach 4,000 pascals suction power. That's enough power to suck up your hopes, dreams, and maybe even your ex's bad vibes. Not to be outdone, the ROPVACNIC S1 also features a 4,000 pascals suction power. It's like a black hole on wheels. But hey, if they're both equally powerful, does it even matter? Let's call this one a tie. Now, let's see how smart these bots really are, because nobody wants a vacuum that gets stuck in a corner crying like a toddler. The HONITURE G20 has an intelligent gyroscope navigation system with 4 cleaning modes and a built-in fall prevention sensor. It's like the Einstein of robot vacuums. If Einstein had a thing for cleaning floors. The ROPVACNIC S1 claims to have a comprehensive intelligent control system with multiple cleaning modes and high-coverage sensing. Plus, it's got a no-entanglement design for pet hair. So if you've got a furry friend who sheds like it's their job, this one's for you. Finally, let's see which one of these bots can go the distance without needing a nap. The HONITURE G20 boasts a 150-minute battery life. That's 2.5 hours of uninterrupted cleaning action. It's like the marathon runner of robot vacuums. The ROPVACNIC S1 didn't specify its exact battery life, but it does promise to return to its charging station when low. So it's like that friend who always leaves the party early, but at least says goodbye. Based on Amazon reviews, it's clear that both the HONITURE G20 and the ROPVACNIC S1 have their strengths. Reviewers love the HONITURE G20 for its affordability, effective pet hair cleaning, and quiet operation. On the other hand, the ROPVACNIC S1 is praised for its powerful suction, user-friendly app, and advanced navigation capabilities. Both have their own unique features that cater to different needs. So there you have it, folks. The HONITURE G20 takes the crown in our vacuum showdown, proving that sometimes less money can get you more bang for your buck. But hey, the ROPVACNIC S1 is no slouch either, especially if you're a pet owner. What do you think? Which one would you pick? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Buy Smart, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest comparisons. Until next time, keep shopping smart. Product links are in the description.